Hi, welcome back to Katrina's Creations. This is a midweek video for Knit Crate, and not just one knit crate, but two knit crates. Yes, I get a membership box every month, and this is for $24.99, and it's two skeins of yarn, and as well as a crochet pattern and a knit pattern. And then Knit Crate has graciously offered me a free box of their sock yarn just for 3 months. So this will be my third month, unless they want to continue it longer than that. I'm not going to say no. So anyway, if you would like to check out the other unboxings that I have from my Knit Crate boxes, I will put a little card up here and you can click that and see the playlist to see all the goodies that Knit Crate sends every month. So let's get started. I have scissors in hand, and we're going to start with the membership box. So that's a box that I buy every month. Like I said, it's $24.99, and that includes your shipping, and they do ship internationally as well. So I'm not looking, I'm lifting the box up. So let me take out what's in here first. I just felt something very soft inside. The two patterns they have a crochet pattern called Limoncello, which looks like a crocheted type of vest. Oh, I like this other one. And then they have, and this pattern, by the way, is by Kalura Hudson. And then Taiga, Taiga Hillard did the knit design, and it's called Minty Fresh, and I really like this pattern. See if I can get this up close. It's a shawl, and you know me, I love shawls. So it is a lacy looking shawl with fringe on it, so I will be doing that one. Let's see what color I got. Let's see what else is in here. The theme this month is called Ice Cream. It says, the fresh neons and bright icy brights of this month's shipment will have you screaming for more. Celebrate the season with these popping primary tones with a twist. These electric hues remind us of all the afternoons spent poolside, energetic beach towns, and the sizzling heat of the summer day. So I guess there's different colors it's going to come in. Looks like these are the different shades. This one is obviously this one here. I'm kind of hoping I don't get the bright yellow. I'm not a bright yellow person, but we'll see. We'll see what I get. You guys will get to see it first. Let's see. Yay! I did not get the bright yellow. I don't think I would have gone for the bright yellow. This is a really pretty, it's a solid blue. At least it looks solid to me. It is extremely soft. There you can see it really well. It's kind of a baby blue, kind of a cross between a baby blue and a cornflower blue. But oh, this is so soft. It is Vitalana. That's the name of the yarn, Vitalana. And this is called Ice Pop. It is 75% superwash, 15% nylon, 10% cashmere. I just finished saying in one of my videos a couple weeks ago that I've never knitted with cashmere. I'm going to be knitting with cashmere. This, no wonder it's so soft. I mean, this is probably the softest yarn I have ever felt in my life. Let me see how many yards. This is a 100-gram skein, and it is 437 yards or 400 meters. Oh, guys, this this is so soft. Yes, I like this, and I like this color. This is kind of it's a fingering weight is what it looks like. Yeah, fingering weight. This has got to be the softest, like I said, the softest yarn I have ever felt. I'm going to have so much fun with this. So yes, this will be on my repertoire. This one looks like it was done almost in a teal color. It almost looks like the color of the Knit Crate box. This minty teal, but mine is definitely a blue. So very happy with that. So that is the membership box. Now let's see. Now over in this light it looks more teal, but it's definitely blue. So pretty. Now let's see what is in the sock box. They have two different types of sock boxes. They have one that is just strictly just the sock and a sock yarn and a pattern. It's only one skein of yarn, and I believe it's $18.99. And then they have the artisanal sock, which is it's a hand-dyed sock, or hand-dyed sock yarn, where this yarn is hand-dyed, but it's hand-dyed on the base, on the yarn base that comes from Knit Crate, whereas the artisan sock is hand-dyed by an independent dyer. So that's why the artisanal one is a little bit more pricey. The regular sock box is dyed from within Knit Crate's, the Knit Crate company, but the artisanal socks are hand dyed by an independent dyer, and they put a little treat in there, and I believe that that box is $34.99. So that's basically what this box is that they've gifted me. So let's see. It is going to be the same theme as the other, because they have the same theme for all of their boxes, and it's called 5 o'clock somewhere socks. Okay, it's a pretty sock. It kind of almost looks like little mushrooms. I don't know if it'll show up in here. Kind of looks like little mushrooms or umbrellas going down just the top. Is it just the top? Yeah, the top and off to the side. So it looks like around the sock. And then it looks like it's a stockinette heel. Looking at the picture. So, but it reminds me of little mushrooms or umbrellas. So they give you a sock pattern. And then, of course, they give you the same theme as the other box. And then, let's see. Here's my free, oh, isn't that cute? Here's my free gift this month. It's little notepads that are sheep. You guys know how much I like sheep. This is by Angu. That's the name of the company. And it looks like, just by the writing on the back, it must be a company from China, because there's some Chinese writing on it. Yeah, so it's called Angu, but look at the cute little sheep. So, little notepads. And here is the yarn. Well, this is pretty. This is, it's called Less Traveled Yarn by Lolita. There it is. It's a tonal. Yeah, that's pretty close. That's pretty close. Kind of a cotton candy type of color. It's pretty. It's very soft as well. It is 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, and there is 450 yards in a skein. And I wonder if this company is from Nevada, because it has this little, see if you can see this. See this little, right there. It kind of looks like the shape of Nevada. I could be totally wrong. Geography is not my strong point, but I'm thinking that looks like it's supposed to be one of our states. So I'll have to look that up. But it's called Lolita. That's the name of the colorway. And the yarn company is travelingyarn.com. So, and this is very soft. And of course it's a sock weight or fingering weight. So, and it's a tonal, just tonal pinks. Kind of not a pink, kind of a cottony candy pink. Not a baby pink. But it's a pink, and then it goes to these rose colors here. So it's a tonal, and it's very soft. So that is the 2 Knit Crate boxes for this month. If you are interested in checking out a subscription box from Knit Crate, they do offer several different choices of Knit Crate boxes in all different price ranges. So I do have a link below. If you click on the link below, you can get 20% off your very first subscription box. And so you must use the coupon code KCreations20. So again, the link is down below and use that coupon code. And if you would like to try a box, you can get it for 20% off, which is how I got started getting Knit Crate. So yeah, check it out. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to tune back in on Saturday when I will be showing my regular weekly podcast. So I hope y'all are having a great week, and I will see you again on Saturday. Bye, guys.